Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get total concentration as in the terms of breathing. As you can see, if I use an ability, or if I just target this guy and use my ability like that, I don't really need to press L to breathe. My breathing is going up on its own, as well as the fact it's at 115. So that means I am at max breathing right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get to max breathing. So first and foremost, open up your map and open Butterfly Village. I'm in Butterfly Mansion if you don't have that unlocked. Why am I saying this? Because Butterfly Mansion is very far away from this location right here, and it's much better for you to just use a point and unlock it from your map. Anyways, you just want to head over to the horse guy, ask him to take you to the Butterfly Village. Now, before starting this training, the total concentration training, I will advise you that you must have at least 13,000 win. That's how much it cost me. You want to do this small gourd 7 times. You want to do this medium gourd 7 times, and then you want to come over to the big gourd and you want to do this 15 times. Once you're done with that, you should have total concentration, just the way I have. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.